Hello everyone, in this video we will be exploring the sequence data types in Python. Next we will be looking into sets. So next we will explore the fascinating world of sets. Sets are an essential data type in Python that provide an unordered collection of unique elements. Now we will delve into the details of sets, covering their characteristics, operations and various methods available for processing them. Let's start with a brief overview. Sets are a collection of unique elements and they don't allow duplicate values. This makes them ideal for scenarios where you need to work with a unique set of items. So let's look into how to create sets and how to use them. So to create a set, you can use a curly braces or the set constructor. So let's look at an example. So let's declare a set called, let us say, my set, and let's equate it to, let us say, in the curly braces 1 comma 2 comma 3, let us say B, and let us add also the C. Now let's just print it out, and let us just save it and just run the code, and it's going to display the set. Set enforce uniqueness, meaning each element must be unique. Unlike tuples, sets are mutable, allowing you to add or remove the elements after the creation. The set supports many various operations like unions, intersection and difference. So let us just clear our code and let's start with another example. Let us say we have got a set 1 and let us call it as, let us equate it to, let us say 1 comma 2 comma 3 and 4. Set 2, let's equate that to, let us say 3 4 5 and 6, and let's close the bracket. Let us create a union set and let's equate it to the set 1 pipeline symbol, which is used for union. Set 2, and let us just print it out. Just run the code. So as we can see here, now it has got the union, which consists all the unique elements which are present in the set 1 and set 2. Likewise, we can also use intersection set, and let's equate that to set 1, and ampersand symbol is used for the intersection. Set 2, and let's just print it out. Run the code, and as we can see 3 and 4, those are the elements which are common to both the sets. Likewise, we can create one more set. Let us call it as difference set, and let us say set 1 minus set 2. So it is going to give us the differences between the two sets. So let us just print it out and run the code, and as we can see, it is going to give us the difference between the two sets is, that is from set 1 minus set 2, it is going to give us 1 and 2. So now let's move forward. Let's explore some of the methods which are specifically designed for the processing of sets. So first method is, let us say it is add. It is used for adding another element in the set. So let's clear our code. Let's start with a new set. Let us say my set. Let us say my set equals, let us say 1 comma 2 comma 3, and then let's add one more element, my set dot add, let us say 4. Now just print it out. Let us save it. Let's run the code, and it gives us the set with the additional element which we have added. Likewise, we can also remove the element. Let us say my set dot remove, and let's remove one of the element, let us say 3, and again let's just print it out. Run the code, and it is going to give us 1 2 and 4. We can also use the update. So we can say like clear it out, and we can start with another set. Let us say set 1 equals, let us say 1 2 and 3, and let us say set 2 as 4, not 4, let us start with 3 4 and 5, and let us say set 1 dot update with set 2. Let us print it out. Set 1. Save the code and let's run it. So it gives us all the elements, all the updated elements, like starting from 1 to all the way up to 5. Now the sets have a unique features like based on the mathematical set theory. They are particularly useful when dealing with distinct values and solving problems related to unions and intersections. To sum up, sets are powerful data type in Python, offering uniqueness and flexibility. Understanding their characteristics and leveraging specific methods for processing can greatly enhance programming experience.